Okay class, today we're going to look at a short overview of the health and safety aspects of using the pillar drill. Okay class, this is your pillar drill. I'm going to go through some of the parts, okay? Number one, kick button at the bottom. This is for emergencies only. Use this if you get any trouble at the top and you can't use the normal stop button here, which is the big red button here. Underneath it is a green button, that's your on button. To the right of that is a handle which you pull up and down, which raises or lowers the chuck. The chuck is in the centre here, holding the drill bit. The red part to the left is the guard. When everything's ready to go, make sure the guard is in place so you don't get your hands anywhere near the drill. On the side here, there's a bar which allows the depth stop, so you can move these nuts up and down to allow different depths to be drilled. At the side here, you've got two handles that adjust the height of the table. We really shouldn't do that. If you need that adjusted, ask your teacher. Okay class, this is going to show you how to use the pillar drill today. Now, the pillar drill is used to help us to drill various size holes through different materials. We can drill through metal, we can drill through wood, and we can drill through plastic using this machine. Now, what we can drill through depends on the drill bit that we're going to use. Now, the most common one we use is a twist drill, which comes in various sizes. Now, it goes from about 1.5 mm to about 12 mm in the workshop. This is the size we use here. We also have the Forstner bit, which comes from about 9 mm up to about 32 mm. Now, this is normally used for drilling flat holes through wood, but we can also use it to drill through plastic, but we should never ever use it to drill through metal. So these are the most common drill bits that we use. Now, this particular drill, this part here is called the chuck. Now, this one it doesn't have a key, so this is called a keyless chuck, which means we just tighten this by hand. Other examples have a wee key that we put in and we use to tighten the chuck. Now, we open and close the chuck depending on the size of the drill bit. So to tighten it, turn it one way, slacken it, turn it the other way. And to slacken it, you would turn it clockwise, to tighten it anti-clockwise. So I've put a drill bit in and I've tightened it up by hand. Now it's nice and secure, it's not moving, nice and tight. Okay? Make sure it's nice and straight, it's not spinning at a wonky angle. So that ensures it's nice and straight. Now, drill bit's been secured, this is the bed, this is where we put our material, where we're going to drill the hole through. This handle here works the up and down movement of the drill. This part here is the guard. We should never ever use the drill without having the guard in place. And I'll cover that a wee bit further later on. So I'll move the guard out just now so you can see the chuck in place. Important buttons here are the on and off button. Now, sometimes you'll come up to the drill and you realise it's not working and you press the start button. But it's probably because the stop button has been locked in. So you just give it a twist and a wiggle and you'll hear it popping out. The drill is then able to press it there. Now, there's also a kick plate at the bottom of the drill, which I'll show you later. So you can kick that. But that's only for an emergency, that's not for general use. All we use the button here to turn it on and off. Okay? Now, you can imagine the chuck spins very fast, so you've got to be careful when you come to use it. You should never ever have anything on your wrists. Pull up your sleeves. Make sure you're wearing goggles in case anything flies out. And under normal circumstances, you would have your apron to keep anything from catching. Keep your tie tucked in, and make sure any ties that are holding your apron are tied at the back, not at the front, because there's a possibility it could get caught. Okay? Always keep your hands away from the blade, from the drill bit. No point in doing this and then pulling it down. You're trying to hold the material and you drill it through your hand. So keep your hands well out of the way. Now, the bed has nothing on it here, it's just steel. Now we should always use a piece of scrap on that. A piece of scrap wood, which allows us to drill down without drilling into the metal base. Now, materials we could drill, we could use a piece of thick wood, a thin plywood, and plastic. Now we need to be able to hold these in different ways and secure them so they don't start spinning should the drill stick. Okay. Now, each one in turn. Using say a thin piece of plastic, what we can use is these clamps here. So the clamps are adjustable. Tighten them up so that we can grip the plastic securely. So that locks in place. We'll now get a good grip of that plastic. We can then use the drill safely to drill through that hole. Okay? I'm going to lift the bed a wee bit because it's a bit low. So that's done by adjusting here. You should really get your teacher to do this for you. So you can now see the drill's a bit closer to where I want it to be. Now normally you would close the gap, but there's no way you can get your hand in there. But what I'll do is I'll leave the guard open just now, again so you can see what's happening. So turn the machine on, got my drill positioned where I want it, and it's an easy matter of just slowly pulling down the handle and taking your time while the drill cuts through the material. Now take your time, slowly. That's it through, bring the drill back up slowly, turn it off. And you safely drill the hole through a piece of plastic. Now, in a worst case scenario, what could happen is the plastic could stick. It then starts spinning round. What you should never ever do is try and stop it with your hand. Just step away and kick the emergency stop button at the bottom and leave it to stop. Don't ever try and grab a piece of material when it starts spinning. Now, same with a thin piece of ply. If it's big enough, you could probably hold it with your hand and you're using a small enough drill. It's not a problem. If you're using a bigger drill, where there's more torque, more twist on the drill, you should always use a clamp. Now, with a bigger piece of material and a bigger drill, the good thing to do is secure it to the table. So you can use one of these clamps, you can use a G-clamp, whatever, and it's a simple matter of just clamping the whole thing onto the base, and that's not going to move. And that allows you just to steady it with your hand and use it to drill. So there's no opportunity of this sliding. If you're drilling metal, you should always secure it in some way or other. This is more like the clamp that you're likely to use when drilling metal. So this is a bench vise or a machine vise, and this is the same. So you adjust this to hold your piece of metal in here, and again, I would always clamp this as well to the desk. So probably using a G-clamp or one of these quick fix clamps. Secure that there as well, because there's a lot of torque, a lot of spinning force here, which can cause you problems. Okay, so recap of the points of safety. Number 1, always wear your goggles. Number 2, any hair, have it tucked in, tuck down your shirt. Number 3, make sure your tie or any loose clothing's tucked in, out the way, so nothing's going to dangle and catch. Number 4, always wear your apron and make sure the strings are tied at the back. Number 5, keep your hands well away and always make sure you close the guard after you've checked that the drill bit is secure in place. When you come to use the drill, make sure you know where the emergency stop buttons are. And finally, when you come to use the drill, make sure there's no one within arm's reach of you. If you're not happy with using the drill and you still feel unsure, ask your teacher for help. Your teacher will help you, no problem, to make sure you're comfortable with using the drill, and most importantly, you're safe.